In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the same background image to all slides in PowerPoint quickly and correctly. This is perfect if you want a consistent design across your entire presentation without manually changing each slide one by one. Whether you're creating a business presentation, a school project, or a marketing deck, setting one background image for all slides keeps everything clean and professional. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the final step that actually applies the image to every slide. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and launch the presentation where you want to add the background image. Once your presentation is open, look at the slide thumbnails on the left-hand side of the screen. You can select any slide because we're going to apply the background to all slides at once. Now, right-click on one of the slides in the left thumbnail panel. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Format Background. This will open the Format Background pane on the right-hand side of your screen. Inside the Format Background pane, you'll see different fill options. Select the option that says Picture or Texture Fill. As soon as you click this option, new settings will appear below it. Next, click on the Insert button under the Picture Source section. This will open the Insert Pictures dialog box. You'll see multiple options here, but to upload an image from your computer, click on From a File. Now your File Explorer window will open. Browse through your folders to locate the image you want to use as your background. If needed, scroll up or navigate to the correct folder where your image is stored. Once you find the correct image file, click on it to select it, and then click the Insert button at the bottom of the window. Immediately, you'll see the selected image appear as the background of the slide you chose earlier. At this point, you can adjust how the image looks. In the Format Background pane, you'll find a transparency slider. If your image is too bold or makes text hard to read, increase the transparency slightly to fade it into the background. You can experiment with the transparency level until your content remains clear and readable. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you may also see options to adjust the picture position or tile settings. Make any necessary adjustments so the image fits your slide exactly the way you want it. Now here's the most important step. If you stop here, the background image will only apply to the single slide you originally selected. To add the same background image to all slides, click on the Apply to All button at the bottom of the Format Background pane. As soon as you click Apply to All, PowerPoint will instantly set that image as the background for every slide in your presentation. You can scroll through your slides on the left to confirm that the image has been applied everywhere. And that's it. You've successfully added the same background image to all slides in PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. This method saves time and ensures your presentation has a consistent and professional appearance from start to finish. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.